Sudeep. Yeah, I came here for a drone pilot certification. So first day we had where to fly, where not to fly. It's about drone rules. And the second day we had to assemble a drone. Whereas we don't have any exposure about what parts involved in the drone. We come to know fully. So the third day simulation for the system. So we had a great experience in system that to actual flying. But the third day and fourth day and fifth day is fine, like practical training. So we came to the field and we had a real big drones. We flew with the help of the trainers. So really we had a very good experience over the real flying in the airfield. So thanks for the drone academy, make me feel like actual flying of the drone. So this certification, this actual drone what is it, drone license will be useful for me, like where to fly, where to fly or where not to fly. So this will be helpful for my career.
My name is Balraj Bawa. I am from the IT background. I have a software company and I have joined this course to get the pilot license in drone. The instructors were very good and helpful, supportive, so they gave us confidence. And after this, I'm very excited to get this certification.
I'm Sheikh Azimuddin. I'm working as a scientist in National Remote Sensing Center, Hyderabad. I came to know about this Telangana State Aviation Academy's drone training by few of my colleagues whom I am working with. We are actually involved in the work of data acquisition and remote sensing. So we are currently working with the aircrafts and the sensors. Now we are moving towards drones, as the industry is currently moving towards rapidly moving towards the drone. So few of my colleagues have gained their understanding and licenses from the drone academy. So they recommended me to join this.
This is Lalita Yadav. I come from the GIS mapping background. More than 15 years of experience I have in L&D. So while I was working with my previous organization, I got the chance to work on some of the drone use cases. From there, I got passionate about this technology and I thought of learning it. I would recommend anybody to, if you are willing for joining this kind of course, you can come to this drone academy and enroll for this course. This is really a very nice, well thought course designed especially for the drone pilots, so that they can actually fly and they can understand that how you can utilize this drone technology in different areas.
I am Krishna Chaitanya, working as a scientist in National Remote Sensing Center ISRO in Hyderabad. I am primarily into aerial data acquisition using two aircrafts. By using that, we do aerial remote sensing. As part of augmentation, our center has recently procured two drones also, and we are actually started drone data acquisition and remote sensing. As part of this, actually our colleagues have completed this certification of drone pilot license certification from TSA itself, and they have given very good feedback about TSA.
Shiva Prasad, the scientist engineer working in National Remote Sensing Center, Center of ISRO at Hyderabad. I came to know about this academy through my other colleagues who have already gone through this training, 5-day training in my previous batches. They have given very good feedback, and basically we got another two Trinity F90s. We fly them for aerial remote sensing, data acquisition around various fields and all. So our previous colleagues, they have taken certification from this TSA, Telangana State Aviation Academy, and they are flying our other two drones. We also want to venture into this drone remote sensing. So as a part of it, we have joined this 5-day training, and based on our performance, we are also given certificates of completion. So with that certificate, I got, both the confidence and also basic qualification kind of a thing to fly a drone.